I recently tried the Backyard Revolution solar energy system, and it's truly been a game changer. For just $200, I was able to set up my very own solar system that slashed my electricity bill by 51% in the first month. I always thought solar energy was too expensive, with most systems costing around $20,000, but this system offers the same benefits at a fraction of the price. It's incredibly easy to install. I set it up by myself in less than 2 hours, and you don't need any special tools or experience. What I love most is that it's designed to fit in small spaces, even on a balcony, and requires no maintenance. Once it's set up, you don't have to worry about cleaning panels or any upkeep. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to reduce their energy costs without the hassle. The peace of mind knowing I have a backup power source, plus the savings on my bills, has been amazing. If you're looking for a simple, affordable way to save on energy and live more sustainably, I highly recommend giving Backyard Revolution a try. It's definitely been one of the best investments I've made.